This is CCEA A2 Pure Maths. We're doing some integration past paper questions. This is one from June 2015, question 2, and it's an integration by substitution one. So it says using the substitution u equals x minus 1 or otherwise. It's generally good advice, I think, just to stick with what they've given you. So we're integrating between 5 and 2, x minus 2 all over the square root of x minus 1, and we're using u equals x minus 1. We're going to need dx by du, which is just going to be 1. Sorry, it should have been du by dx. Well, du by dx is really what you get when you differentiate that. And you have the 1. And also we might need, just looking at this, that x is equal to u plus 1. The other thing I'm going to do is to change my limits. If I know that x is 5 and that x is 2, that means u, 5 take away 1, which is 4, 2 take away 1, which is 1. That means I can change my limits whenever I start to change these things here, the x. So let's start to change some things around. 5 over 2, you know, let's just change it now to the 4 and 1. Remember, 4 and 1 of x minus 2 all over u to the power of a half upon dx by du. That's the same as integral of 4 and 1 u to the power of a half. Dx by du, but dx by du of course is just 1. So I can just then have my u there, and then x minus 2, so x equals u plus 1, so I change this for a u plus 1, so it's a u plus 1 minus 2, and that gives me then u minus 1. Integration then u over u to the half just gives me u to the power of a half. U 1 over u to the half is u to the minus a half du. Integrating then, add 1 to the power, u to the power of 3 over 2, divide by the new power, so I'm dividing by 3 over 2, so that's the same as multiplying by 2 over 3. I can do that. Add 1 to the power, that gives me u to the power of a half, and divide by the new power, so dividing by the half then is the same as multiplying by 2, and that's 4 and 1. Let's see if I can do some sums here and work this out. So u to the power of 3 over 2, so 4, take the square root, gives me 2, then cube, that gives me 8 times 2 is 16, so that's 16 over 3. U to the power of a half gives me, so 4 to the power of a half is 2, 2 times 2 then is 4. If I substitute then the number 1 into this, that just obviously gives me then 2/3, and then take away 2. A couple of different ways of doing this, whatever way you want to look at it. So 16 over 3 take away 2 over 3 is going to give me 14 over 3, and then take minus 4 minus minus 2, so that's the same as minus 4 plus 2, so that's the same as minus 2, so 14 over 3 take away 2, so that's 14 over 3 take away 6 over 3, that gives me then 8 over 3.